Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
Well, we say a big thank you to Matori's Supermart in River State for its display of good corporate citizenship. In these COVID-19 times, when a lot of people have lost their means of livelihood, we must say thank you to organizations and individuals who are reaching out to those in need. In Delta State, Lagos-based fashion designer and creative director of Mudi Africa, Mr. Mudiaga Enajimo, doled out the much-needed palliatives to his people in Ughelli, Delta State. The gifts, which were mostly for the elderly, was to ensure that their hard work and labor for their children were not forgotten at this time when they are in need. And for the Isoko people, also of Delta State, it was indeed a windfall when their beloved son and political leader, Joel Onowakpo, sent home palliatives to cushion the effects of the COVID-19 lockdown in Delta State. The relief materials, which included 4,000 bags of rice, 4,000 bags of beans, gallons of cooking oil, tissue paper, and other food items. The relief materials, which were received by the chairman of the two local governments of the Isoko Nation, will be distributed to the clans in Isoko Kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta,